property address 2824 Northeast 38th Street, Fort Lauderdale, Florida 33308. We're currently set up at the upstairs master bathroom east toilet flange. We just completed our pipe lining coating to the entire property. We would now send our camera down line and record the condition of the sewer line. As you can see, the piping is currently PVC coming from upstairs. We are now going into our coating material. As you can see, the branch line coming from the upstairs toilet has been completely coated. We are now entering our lining material. We are now into the main sewer line, where you can see we have our coating material. Now going into our lining material. As you can see, we've made it to our outside pit where we'll be installing a 4-inch ground cleanout, which would be recorded once the cleanout is installed to give us access further down the line. We will now move on to our next toilet. We are currently set up at the toilet flange for the guest bathroom that sits on the second floor in the middle of the hallway. We will now send our camera down line and record the condition of the sewer line. As you can see here, our coating material begins here for the branch line for the upstairs hallway middle guest bathroom. As you can see, the entire branch line has been coated with our coating material. We are now entering our lining material that was previously recorded in the previous recording. We will now pull our camera back and move on to the next toilet. We are now set up at the toilet flange for the guest bathroom closest to the second floor back patio. We will now send our camera down line and record condition of the sewer line. As you can see here, this is where our coating material begins. This is also the furthest toilet on the plumbing system. We are now currently in the main line. We are currently set up inside the main sewer line. As you can see here, we are now in our lining material of the main sewer line, coming from the furthest distance in the plumbing system. We have now made it down line to our pit where we'll be installing a 4-inch ground cleanout to give further access to the main sewer line. We are currently set up at the toilet flange for the bathroom located on the first floor, directly in front of the garage entry doorway and the back patio, closest to the back patio. We will now send our camera down line and record the condition of the sewer line. We are currently in the sewer line for the first floor guest bathroom, closest to the back patio. Here we are entering our liner material inside the main sewer line. As you can see there, we'll be approaching our pit where we'll be installing a 4-inch ground cleanout for future access further down the line. We will now pause our recording and move on to the next toilet. We are currently set up at the half bathroom located downstairs. We're set up at the toilet flange. The bathroom directly located in front of the front entry doorway, half bathroom. We will now send our camera down line and record the condition of the sewer line. As you can see, we are entering our lining material previously recorded in our previous recording. As you can see, we have now made it to our pit. We will now move on with our recording. We are now set up at our pit. We will now send our colonel down line to record the sewer line going towards the city sewer connection. As you can see, the entire sewer line going towards the city connection has been relined with our pipeline material. Here, we installed a section of PVC piping to give us access to the sewer line closer to the city connection. As you can see, we have now made it to the city sewer connection. And that will conclude our camera inspection.